5.8 billion. That's how many people live in low resource settings with little or no access to quality healthcare. And while GE is committed to bringing specialized solutions to these regions, we realize we can't do it alone. Even with our affordable care portfolio and hands-on training services, there was something we knew we needed: partners. Partners in innovation who knew and understood the needs of local communities. Partners who we could support through GE Healthcare's vast ecosystem, helping them scale their innovative ideas to impact as many lives as possible. And thus was born 5-8.
If you look at the healthcare delivery systems across developing economies, they're faced with a number of challenges. We think it's really important to become very part of the fabric, to bring in others along the way, and that the united capabilities of partners can actually solve some of these problems more effectively, to ultimately close the gap on the 5.8 billion people around the world that have little to no access to care.
Backed by GE's Healthcare's vast expertise, 5-8 and their startup partners focus on commercially scaling healthcare innovations for emerging economies, making them a part of the healthcare ecosystem that is essential to serve those in need.
The best startups are those that are made up of individual or a team that has a burning desire to deliver an outcome, in this case for healthcare. So for us, a partnership between GE and startups essentially yields two results. One, it helps the startups grow profitably in geographies such as Africa, Southeast Asia, or India. The second thing we want to do is give people the capability to access capital. And capital from a strategic investor, we're thinking about investing close to $5 million per startup. It depends on the valuation. But I think what that presents to startups and to other players in the ecosystem is to be able to partner with a company that can add value to their contributions in this healthcare ecosystem.
So the support of this incubator comes in several forms. Again, we're after developing systems of access and affordability for the 5.8 billion people that have little access to quality care. So it's financing structures, it's commercialization approaches, it's supply chain management and how do you build that. It's really how do we help them scale is the ultimate idea behind this, and do that in partnership with many of the projects that we're working on across the world.
One such startup is Tricog, co-founded in 2015 by Dr. Charit Bhograj in India. Tricog has developed a cloud-connected device that helps improve survival rates for heart patients. In a country where 3 million people die of heart conditions each year, simply reducing the time between symptoms, diagnosis, and treatment, Tricog is revolutionizing the way heart patients receive care. By partnering with Tricog, GE and Dr. Charit are confident that together we can scale this technology globally, saving millions of lives.
5.8 has opened GE's medical device platform to Tricog. Along with this is decades of some of the best engineering talent. With their help, we are able to go to market much faster. Second, and more importantly, is scale. For a startup like Tricog, scale is everything. And with the help of the 5.8 program, we are able to scale not only in India, but to the rest of the world as well.
Through this partnership, GE and Tricog have embarked upon a journey that aims to save the lives of millions of heart patients around the world.
And this is what the partnership is about. How do we give every patient with a heart attack from an 80% chance that the heart attack will take your life to an 80% chance that you will survive?
So when you look at 5.8, 5.8 is a gateway that actually helps us enable the what's in it for me. A startup gains from it because of commercial scale. An academic partner gains from it because of research outcomes. Government and policymakers gain from it because they see better outcomes per dollar spent. And when you look at implementing partners, they actually create a partnership that is a lot more viable in terms of their capability to provide the right solutions at the right time. As far as GE is concerned, I think create a platform that will help deliver these outcomes to the end customer becomes the ultimate benefit for us and therefore to the patients at large.
5.8 is about sustainability, affordability, using innovation, and bringing these together in an affordable access to change the outcomes for patients in the world.
backed by a shared culture of innovation and a commitment to improve public healthcare systems that serve the 5.8 billion people in need. 5-8 by GE Healthcare. Better public health systems together.